Hey again, let me talk in this video about how we could do delete and update in the database. So first of all, let me define function. I name it delete record. In the database, if you want to delete record, the record have to have something unique. So but here we don't have anything unique, so we will delete by name. So let's suppose I have a name. But this is not practice. You have to delete by something unique. But as you see, we didn't have anything unique now. We didn't integrate primary key or whatever. So we delete by name. So just I will not do anything professional. I will copy all the code for add. Just bring it here to the delete, add it here, and same thing. Instead of this insert statement, I will do delete. So how I do delete from the SQLite? I will say delete from the table name, or the table name, it is admin. Then I say where the condition that I have it was the name. I'm looking for the name. Where the name equal the name that someone entered. So let you suppose name equal single quotation between here, then dot format this name, that coming name. So just someone enters name, you take his name, you add it between these two brackets, so you look for him in the database and you delete it, so record is deleted. Okay, now you want to activate this option, you have to go here. I would copy this part, it is really for me easy, I see it. If it is a 3, so I would say 3, I would say list admin /n 3 for delete. If you select a 3, he will come here. I add enter name to delete. I told you this is not practice way, but this is what we have it. Now I will not call add, I will call delete. So delete record, I send the name, then he will delete it for me. So he will get the name, then he will delete it for me. But we see this is not a practice every time. Rerun. But let me first do it, then we go and try to do some maintenance. So I will select 3 for delete. So, but I don't know any information about the people I have them. But let me go to the database now and see which one I want to delete. I want to delete Jenna. So I will say, hey, delete Jenna for me. Enter. He say record is deleted. If I just rerun it again, if I select 2, I don't see Jenna here. Even if I just go to the database and I refresh it, Jenna have to go. She went. But you see, rerun the app again is not something to practice. I would prefer to do it in this way. Add another option to the end. You say, for example, /n 0 for break or for exit. So you need ask him to enter 0. If he enters 0, he will exit from the app. So but you always continue. So if I do that, I will do while it is true, whatever. So while 1, then he will continue in all these code tab. So that means this code will always continue, will never stop. But you have a condition. You say if the index number equal 0, you will break. And that is, so L, if it is 1, do this one. If 2, this one. This layout will keep your application always. You always ask him. You will not need to rerun that again. Let me just add /n here. Yes, here is it. Make it more clear. So now when he click 0, you have while 1. That means the while will always continue working unless someone want to break it. So rerun. 0 for exit, 2 whatever. I would ask for 2 for listing, so he list and then he asked me again, same process. If I want to make it more professional, I will do it in this way, /n, then this is /n, then here I do same thing as I would do it in this way, /n, do it this way, /n, this. Just do it in multi-line to make it more clear. Yes, /n. So when someone when you stop it and I know it's hard to stop it because here you ask him index number. So you just ask him this first. Hopefully click 0. If you click 0 he will exit. Hey, exit. So if I just rerun it again, you ask him this. See, 1 for add, 2 for list, 3 delete, 0 exits. I need to list, so which is 2. He lists all the data for me. If you see it, here is it. All the data are listed. If he asks me again to select index. If I want to add, I will select 1. He select enter name. I will say Luma. He say age. I enter this age. Then he asks me again what I want to do. Let me say, hey, I want to list. I will say 2 to see the list. If you see here again, I see Luma here. Now I want to exit. I click 0. So he will not ask me to rerun again, which is good. Now second thing we want to do it for update. Let me suppose I am updating the age depend on the name, which is also not professional, but as I told you, just I started using name and age only. So doing div update record, which is same as add. Still same parameter, everything same. Let me just copy this add, so which is save my time. Update record, I'm taking everything same. So update record, you take name and age, but one thing you have it here, this statement have to change it. So you said updates, you update your record, so you say update, then from, not update admins, for example, you want to do some set, you say update admins, set what you want to set name. You don't send the name, you said the age. Let me just modify the age, equal the semicolon, where the name equal whatever. The name have to be I don't think the name have to be just semicolon, I think. So you need to pass the age, then the name. So what we will do here, we do update. The record is updated. So we're getting the name and age. We update the age where the name. So I send him the name and the age. He will update my age. So if you see, this age will go inside this age. So he will say update name admin set age where the condition. I said where name equal this one. So this one will be my condition. So now I want to update record, add it here. So I have 0 for exit. I could add here something more. I say /n for update age. Then I continue. So more. I would do same thing for adding because I'm taking two information. So here is it. I'm asking enter 4. If you select 4, I say enter name, enter person name, enter a new age. So you select here update. So now we're calling update, we pass them here, you will do a SQL statement. If you just rerun it again, make sure hopefully everything is correct. So first of all, let me list to see which record I want to update. So select 2, he give me all this information. Let me Lulu, I want to update here. So I want to select the operation that I want selected, which we 4. I want to do update. He select enter the person name. I say Lulu because I want update age Lulu. Lulu now is 23. Let me make it 22. So 22. You have to done. He say record is updated. Hopefully now if I look for 2 list admins, I see her age is 22. See, here is it. Yes. So I know it may be something you see it you feel uncomfortable with because this is SQL statement, but you have to make sure you have to study SQL before you came to this section, because SQL statement is a really important part for anyone who want to work with database. If you see, I just say update admin set age equal semicolon where name equal semicolon. I added the age here, name here, and he will know it. Here we're done, and thank you for watching, and see you next